This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your PayPal username, which is most often referred to as your paypal.me link. To begin, log into your PayPal account using your registered email address and password. Your paypal.me link offers a simple, personalized way for people to send you money quickly and securely. It removes the need to share your private email or phone number directly, making transactions much smoother for everyone involved. This feature is particularly useful for small businesses or individuals receiving frequent payments. Once you are logged in, look for the paypal.me option, usually found under your profile settings or within the Send and Request tab. If you haven't created one yet, you will be prompted to set up your unique link. Think of a short, easy-to-remember name that represents you or your business, such as paypal.me/your name. This will be the public identifier you share, so choose wisely. After entering your desired name, simply confirm it to make your personalized link active and ready for use. With your paypal.me link active, sharing it is incredibly straightforward. You can easily copy the full URL directly from your PayPal dashboard. Then, paste this link wherever you need it, whether it's in a text message, an email, on your social media profiles, or even printed on an invoice. When someone clicks your link, they are taken directly to a secure PayPal page where they can specify the amount they want to send you. It truly simplifies the entire payment process for both parties involved. If you have already created a paypal.me link but cannot recall it, finding it again is simple. Log into your account, either through the official website on your computer or the dedicated PayPal mobile app on your phone. Navigate to your profile settings, which is often represented by a gear icon, or look under the Send and Request menu. Your unique paypal.me link will be prominently displayed on that page, ready for you to copy and share once more, whenever you need to receive a payment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.